So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to finish our To-Do app mobile application, and this is the final video of this series. And after this video, this app is completed and ready to use and ready to publish in the production mode. So let's start. At first we will fix our simple things. Like this is the main container and we have a column in this. We will make the column scrollable. Height is 80%, we will make the height to 95%. Add this container, also make the container scrollable. This is our row, make sure this row is scrollable. Now we can make this container's background colorful or give it a shadow. And also we can give some gradient like this. In the light mode it will look like this, and in the dark mode it will look like this. This is the task title, and the task title is mandatory. Task type, this is the task type. We will check all the things if all is correctly set. This is our main goal in this episode. Make sure the task type is default in the default variable value. This is our task title. We will ellipsis it. Max character allowed is 18. Unclick the edit button, it will take the user to the edit page. Now I think everything is set for the home page, and we also have the simple search text field. It works. And now come to the app assets. For the splash screen, you can upload a splash screen, or you can also leave it. If you are making a website, you can also create a splash screen in Canva and upload it. It will give your app a professional look. We will use our launcher icon. This is our launcher icon, and Android adaptive icon will be this. column scrollable. We will give a default value for the background image. This is our default value. We'll make sure that the logout button appears in both dark and white mode. Same for the update profile button. Same for the create task button. Make the text color white. Now everything is fine. Everything looks better and visible as well. In the login page, we will do the same to make sure that the texts are visible. Now go to the create account page. Our home page. Everything works correctly. This is delete page. We will fix the button. Make the text color as secondary background so it's visible. In the edit page. Same we will do for the edit page. To make sure every letter is visible. Go to the user profile page. In the user profile page, we have already fixed everything. This is the type details, and everything works correctly here as well. Now go to the home page. We had the conditional actions in the column, so we will see the other column. Yes, it's fine. And this text are conditional, and yes, now everything should work correctly, and we have finished our application. This is the last episode, and now we will publish it. You can check this mobile app by accessing it with this site URL todo app dc.flutterflow.app. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and this was the last video of this series. If you want to check out the whole series, then you can check out our playlist of the Todo app. Let's create an account. You can see that we already have the list types. All the lists are empty now. This is our profile. Let's set our name. We can also set our profile picture. Now let's add a task. Task completion time by today, 5 p.m. Select a type. As you can see, updated. This is important. We will not flag it. So create this task. This is the edit button. The edit button is not visible in the web, so it's looking like this, but if you download the application, then it will appear properly. So if we go to the home section, you can see that we have this task. Let's add another task. 2 chips packet. We will not give any type of task completion time. We will not flag it anything. Now we get it. So it will go to the default section. This is the home section. and in the default section the chips packet, because we didn't add any type. So if we add a type like shopping and edit the task, then you can see that it will be removed from the default and go to the shopping. This is shopping section. So our mobile app is correctly working, and if you log out, then it will be logged out. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of this FlutterFlow beginner to do app making series. If you want to see and watch and learn our advanced guide, then we are making also a social media series, and the social media mobile application is also live on web, so you can also access the project by the site URL. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video series.